Hey Dewdrops, it's Diane from CoraVina. Happy Friday! Hope you're having a really great week. All this week we have been marbling really pretty Christmas-inspired paper. Are they Christmas colors? No! But they're inspired by Christmas things, like a purple nutcracker wreath and vintage teal ornaments. Or what else have we done? Oh, a blue and white Christmas tree. Super pretty stuff, right? Okay, so let me show you our inspiration for today. I am a sucker for the vintage. Right? And I forgot to adjust my screen, so bear with me for just a moment. Let me make sure we get all of these beautiful colors here for you. Okay? All right. Does anybody remember these? Who used to have these? Ooh, I think they'd be so pretty. All right? So, main color, we're going to do a lot of white. Okay? Then we're coming in with these. What do you think? Think they're going to do it? All right, so we've got that hot pink. Got some red in there. This is kind of a minty green. It's a little bit more on the green side. I think it's going to be good. There is some like a little light blue in there too, and then a lot of this pink. All right, so these are our colors today. I hope you like it. I hope it looks good. I'm going to try and do something with lines. Let's see how it goes. I haven't practiced. Might not work. Let's see. All right, back to our water marbling tray. It is looking nice and dark because we've been marbling on it all week. All right, just adjusting something. All right, Dewdrops, let's get going. We're gonna do the same thing we have been doing all week. We're starting with white. Straight down the center of the tray. That white is really pushing everything else out of the way. Now you can really see it, right? See how important that priming layer of paint is? Isn't that interesting? Okay, so Dewdrops. Yeah. Let's see if we can't get the lines of paint. All right, I'm letting our white ebb and flow. It's hard out here until it's ready. All right, I'm gonna start dropping. Got our red there. I'm gonna leave a little bit of space. And I'm gonna do some pink. It's still ebbing and flowing. I wanna make sure it gets all diluted and out of our space here. Okay, so we got that one. Let's come in with our rose pink. Maybe. Oh, rose pink might be running out. And then we've got our greenish color here. So let's come back in with the red. Let's do it all over again. These colors contrast so nicely together. It does look vintage to me. Might have a lot of pink in that row. We work fast, so it pushes off each other. All right, no room for the rose. That's okay. That can be our one and only row of it right here. We're gonna thicken up our red. Thicken up some of our pink right here. Oh, I know what I should have done. I should have done something a little differently. That's okay. Because we like the white. We like the colors more than we like the white, right? In my opinion, I think that's what we want. So, we'll stop right here. I wonder how this is going to look. Is it going to look vintagey enough for our vintage Christmas ornaments? I don't know. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to use the rake this way. Here we go, nice and slow. You can hear that little scrape of my water marbling tray here. Try and come straight back through here. Ooh, I goofed. I was gonna do something different. Ah well, this still looks very neat. Oh, that's unfortunate. Okay. Oh well, let's dip the print right here. You know, sometimes I get going in my head and then I forget yet. And then we got a different plan, but we're rolling with the punches. We're happy little dewdrops here. All right, I can see our white is starting to dry out. Anyways, let's dip this paper. All right. So let me get the camera situated here. All right, guys, we're gonna pull this up out of the air, out of the water. Let's see what we've got. What do you think, dewdrops? Look at how pretty this is. Oh, I'm in love with it. I think it kind of does look like our vintagey ornaments. Oh, okay, let me set this down. Move to the side. All right, dewdrops, what do you think? All right, here it is. With the inspiration. You like it? Hope you like it. I think it looks pretty good. Not exact. It looks like there's a little bit more blue in the Christmas ornaments than what we have here today, but I think it's very pretty. All right, so happy Friday, dewdrops. I hope that you have a fantastic weekend. I hope that you get many things accomplished, or you just sit down and relax, whatever you want to do, all right? So remember, go to CoraVina.com, like, comment, or share this video. It really helps me out. And if you're on YouTube, subscribe so you can always get my new videos. All right. Bye, dewdrops. Remember, live colorfully.
And
Goodbye.
happily.
And happily.